Hello, in front of me I've got REOLINK camera. In this video I'll show you how to set it up. In the beginning, make sure that the camera is turned on. Next, insert the SIM card, which is not locked. Once the SIM card is installed, go to the REOLINK app. Tap plus in the top right corner. And now scan QR code located on the bottom of the camera. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.